So let's check out the 2006 automatic transmission Toyota Fortuner. Orig 71k mileage, sobrang sariwa. Body color, chinecheck ko yung loob dito sa may gas tank kung parehas ng labas. May kita mo to parehong-pareho, so hindi siya na-repaint. So 2.7 engine to na gas, pinadetail na natin, change oil. Passenger side, may kita mo naka SRS airbag tayo. Sobrang linis ng dashboard and ayan, naka leather seats tayo. Even the stereo was original and stock. Gusto ko dito sa Fortuner. So ayun, meron tayong rear aircon sa likod. So pwede mo siyang on and off. Even sightings, may kita mo sobrang linis niya. So sobrang smooth ng takbo niya. Tsaka iba pag nandito ka kasi medyo mataas yung clearance niya. Then naka-daylight running na rin siya, may kita mo. And then sobrang ganda ng tindig niya, front and back. Ang linis pa ng paint. Ang makina niya, sobrang responsive. Ang gusto ko sa Fortuner is, of course, yung luwag niya, very spacious from passenger, driver side, yung second and third row, sobrang luwag ng legroom.